Hi guys. End of last year, around Christmas time, I was doing a series of videos about these suckers or cup suction hooks, different sizes. I was actually using them to hold a bracket onto the window for my camera. And I went through quite a few different videos, buying the suction cups from different places, all different sizes. That one there is supposed to hold something like 5 kilograms, yeah. Supports up to 5 kilograms. And I will show you that the test I did with that before the end of the year, last year, that one is still supported. And we're on March the 30th. So that one's worked well, or at least the one that I've used has worked well. Anyway, on the same theme, Poundland, yeah. On the same theme, this thing is a fly killer. Has 4 suction cups. Stick it on the window, solar panel, charges up during the day, and then in the evening and at night it glows blue, which is supposed to attract the flies. If they come in close, they get zapped. There's actually one dead one there. Anyway, it does have a habit of falling off the window because the suckers give way. I mean, it is quite old, and looking at those suckers, looks like mold growing on them. When it does fall off, this is broken. That actually holds the on-off switch there in place. So I've got a bit of wire wrapped around it to hold it in place because it's got no strength otherwise. That will flick that off. Yeah, that would normally turn it on or turn it off. Anyway, as I've got a big stock of those suckers, I was going to see if I could take it apart and replace them. I could probably just pull them out, actually, thinking about it. Yeah, but I don't think these will be a direct replacement. Yeah, because that's got a wider hole in it, so yeah, that's not going to stay. So I can have a look, see if there's anything I could do, maybe put that through and then put the clip on the other side of it to hold it in place, and see if we can make it work with some of them. Or just use one of the really big ones. We could put that loop through there and just suspend it from one big one. Because I don't expect that'll be clear. That won't take up too much. Reduce the solar power too much. Now, having said that, I suppose I could just use So if I position them right, I could just use 4 of them like that. That would save any modification at all, wouldn't it? But we will just have a peek inside anyway, for the sake of a teardown video. In the spirit of bigclivedotcom. Okay. So we've got a single AAA nickel metal hydride battery, solar panel, on-off switch, and a circuit board behind there that has got to generate the power to power the zapper on the front. That thing. Got any power in it at the moment? No. So wire goes down through there. Where's the other end of it? It's got to be in the middle there somewhere, isn't it? Oh no, there's the other one. So one goes in there. So it's a double helix. So which side do we want to take off? If I undo those two screws, I think the solar panel will lift off and we can have a look underneath. And those are longer screws, so we'll try not to get them mixed up. Let me poke that in. Yeah, there we go. Oh, the whole thing's come out in one go. So, LED, which will be the one giving us the blue glow. Fair size capacitor there. 100 volts, 474. I think that's 474 on there. Oh, it says 474 underneath it. Transformer, a four-legged component there. That'll be the one that does the solar charging. And a 750k resistor next to it. Is that a resistor or is that an inductor? But that one there, I bet, will be the same as the ones with the solar lights. I don't know if we can see the number on it. I'll move the camera in a sec so we can have a close-up. I'll just undo these so we can see even closer. Right, I'll see if I can get close up on the components so we can identify them. Right, well, all these fellas have got M7 written on them. And then these will be capacitors. So this will be a voltage multiplier thing to put the power onto the zapper. And we've got a few capacitors and resistors there. Are we in focus? Yeah, just about. That's the coil on the back. Sorry, that's the coil on the back there. Coil. Transformer to boost the voltage up. And then that fella there a YX8051. We got that? Yeah, we can actually see that. YX8051, which will be the one that does the solar power from the solar panel to charge the battery, nickel metal hydride battery, during the day, and then no doubt discharge it via the LED at night to attract the flies, who will then get zapped by the power built up in there. Oh, that's more interesting than I expected it to be. Lots of these have actually got the details written on the, what do they call it? Well, on the circuit board. 1N4148 there. A 2TY, is that, or a ZTY? 2TY there. That little transistor. 474K. Is that in focus? Oh, that's coming a bit better. That's better focus. Now you can see what I'm talking about. J3Y at the bottom there. Just guessing with no knowledge whatsoever. Probably one of those is PNP and the other's NPN. But that's just a guess. Get that in focus again. There we are. M7. Yeah, so more interesting than I expected. Just quickly, close up of the battery. And just a quick peek at the label. TriStar Products UK. Danger high voltage. Right, the solution I'm going to try is these suckers, which came from B&M Bargains. I've slightly flattened the loop on there, so they will then fit in there like that. I've taken out the original suckers. Because if I put two of them in there, yeah, I should be able to stick them two to the window, and that should hold it in place. In fact, I could do all four, I suppose. Wouldn't hurt. That gives us more protection for when one of them fails. Yeah, I'll do four of them, so they all go in the original holes, but we've got access directly to them. Just to explain what I meant about flattening those loops. Those loops are just a bit too big to go through the hole like that, so just flatten them a bit. Probably won't look quite as neat, but that should do the job. And there we are, in place, in the window, with four new suckers. No idea how long those suckers will last. My experience tells me they weren't very good. So we will find out. But on the face of it, that's fixed it. And we had a look inside. And for continuity of the other videos that I was doing in the series, that's been there since, well, the end of last year, December something or other, I think. And that was about a kilogram weight. It did say it'd support 5 kilograms, but I just put a 1 kilogram weight on it. And it's been there ever since. Nanny's not happy. But yeah, that works. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.